The king is the most important piece in chess, but the queen is undoubtedly the most powerful. Did you know that centuries ago it could barely move a few squares? Today, you will discover how its power emerged, how much it is worth, and how to make the most of it.
Let's go!
Like the king, the queen can move in all directions, up, down, sideways, and diagonally. The big difference is that, unlike the king, she can move as many squares as she wants in those directions. The only thing she cannot do is jump over other pieces. Let's look at some examples. In this position, the queen could move along the diagonal, cross the board from one side to the other, or move vertically up or down. It can also make shorter moves, 1, 2, or 3 squares in any direction. Now, something important. If there is another piece in its path, it cannot jump over it. For example, if the king is in front of the queen, it blocks her path. The queen would have to move to another square first, and only on the next turn could she occupy that free position. Now that you know her movement, it's time to practice it. But first, let's see where this special piece comes from. More than 1,000 years ago, the queen did not exist. In its place, there was a king's advisor who only moved 1 square diagonally. In the 15th century, in European courts, it transformed into the queen with a new power, moving in any direction and as many squares as desired. This change revolutionized the game, creating modern chess. In terms of points, the queen is worth 9 points, being the most valuable piece after the king, which is priceless. For comparison, a knight or a bishop is worth 3 points. A rook is worth 5, so losing the queen is usually a great disadvantage. But its real value lies in its versatility. It combines the power of a rook and a bishop at the same time. That allows it to attack, defend, and control large areas of the board. Now that you know how to move the queen and know its history, let's see how to use it strategically. 1. Don't bring it out too early. It is a very common mistake among beginners. If you bring out the queen at the start, the opponent can easily attack it, forcing you to move it and lose time. 2. Coordinate attacks. The queen is most effective when working alongside other pieces, especially knights and bishops. Together, they can create double attacks, checks, and simultaneous threats. 3. In the endgame, the queen rules. When the board is clear, her mobility shines. A well-placed queen can deliver checkmate with the help of the king or completely control the opponent. Remember, the queen is not just brute force, it is a piece of precision and strategy. So next time you move your queen, think about this. You're not just moving a powerful piece, you're moving centuries of history, the symbol of how chess evolved. So if you want to learn more about the queen or another piece, you can do so at BlackChess Academy, the best chess training.